Right, Audi TT Quattro Sport, prepare to welding. Welding, it's not that easy like you think. Car can be burned, fire, so we have to watch out. And as well, you know, I'm sure battery must be disconnection as well. Like you see, it's wires, cable over there, and ECU or something. Yes, I need to take that floor, that side and that side off. Audi, beautiful Audi done. Now we take that side and that side off. Hope I'm there. I'm see there. Right, it's done. Like you see, it's safety first. How I put wax this way, here and there. We have hole everywhere. We spray our wax. Now I take this guy. And like you see, it is 2 bolt, 1 slide in, and we have beautiful access for welding. So now I have to nice clean everything here, and yeah, we have beautiful access now, and we welding. You ask how I put wax. It's plenty space here, and here it's no problem. Before I'm guys welding the car, I'm try practice on the metal, because the last time when I do job like that, I was 19 years old, so this is like many years ago. Yeah, try, but that no easy job. You need practice. Yeah, it's my welding side, and I'm decide phone to my friend. I have to find somebody. This is no perfect weld. Yeah, guys, my welding no perfect. That's why I'm phone to my friend. My friend come and we see what I'm do wrong. Sometimes it is give up, you know what I mean. We never win. I try. My friend come and practice, but I promise it's everything be proper. So that panel, like you see, it is ready, and yeah, and we when he come, we welding here and make sure it's no fire car, and I'm take off another side, make sure as well it is prepared, it's ready. Hope that door open. I have to take that mat off because welding fire, like you see, this side and this side. Yeah, keep going like this. I need hoover here, because when floor come back, make sure it's nice and clean there. And yeah, keep going, hoover already there. So you know, when panel, every panel throw everything back, make sure it looks under as well nice. Alright, start train. Job no problem, but it's ready, proper for I'm clean and hoover over there. Make sure when carpet back for very nice and clean place. Must be that guy out, because like you see, it is plenty wires, plenty thing it's there. When you welding, make sure it's no fire current, no broke, nothing. My welding, it's absolutely shit. Ready for my friend. My friend come next weekend, and hope he do better job. It's my one. Thanks, Jim. Thanks. Yeah, today we welding. My friend come help. Hope he better it's me. So clean again. Take off this one. What weld last time? We use thickened metal. This is 1.5 because don't want bend. Right, we weld over here. No, here. That plan is Yeah, it's that guy. It is for proper guy for proper job, if you know what I mean. I'm cut a panel from thickness metal because last one no bend and no easy for work. I want do bigger, but sometimes life. So I'm cut another 2 panels because last panel, like I'm saying, it's no easy bend. That one it is more thickness. It's 1.5 millimeters. So probably it is better. Thickness metal, it's bent, so it's better. Like you see, it's metal, it's fits like one. It is bent, easy work for that. Another panel, it's cut. Yeah, that good guy for good job. This moment we have to watch out because, like you see, one guy welding, another guy looking, because it is fun job. Fire! Yeah, maybe we wait a little bit. Like you see, it's better see where and was it is behind, because like you see, it's mud over there, very easy fire. So it's better check everything before you start weld, and don't have troubles. Watch out, hot.
Yeah,
fucking hot. Very hot. I'm feeling this one for a couple of days, something. Yeah, and watch out what you touch. Guys, zinc primer spray here. Probably very good. Now it's solid. My friend help. Good have friend. Yeah, and this side done. We need to drill the hole when panel come gas end, so we need buy gas and finish that side. But at this moment I put zinc primer to protect this place. Okay, that guy go over there when primer dry. A lot of stuff go there, so hope no rust anymore there. Guys, so like you see, it's gas and next week we finish welding, protect this one, and yeah, passion, love, family, Audi TT Quattro Sport, great again, you remember guys.